Hello student, you were saying that how the child was attracted by everything and how he actually wanted to buy and get everything, and he actually said also those things to softly to his parents, but he didn't waited for the to get an answer from his parents, and he always walked further and always moved on, and that is why he actually caught in the problem. And now the child would be attracted by what? He would be attracted by a snake charmer. And who is a snake charmer? A snake charmer is generally a person who actually just show you just catches the snake and show you the games with the snake, you know. And he actually was standing there playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket. So now what does that snake charmer was actually doing? He was just standing there and he was playing a flute. You understand what is a flute? And he was actually playing a flute, and he was playing a flute so that a snake could show it some tricks inside the basket in which the snake was coiled. The coiled means when your body is in curved position, then it is said that you are coiled. So you all know that in baskets snakes generally are kept. Snakes generally remain in coiled position, sit, and its head raised in graceful bend like the neck of a swan. And you all know that snakes generally remain in coiled position in the basket, but it always raises its head like that, and actually and it was looking very graceful. His head, he has actually bent his neck in a graceful position like a swan, as swan does generally, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. And the music of this flute was actually going inside the ear of a snake, as it was falling on the ears of a snake, as if it is the sound of the waterfall, the rippling sound of a waterfall, the gentle rippling sound. The gentle rippling sound means to say that the very soft and gentle sound when that a waterfall produce. कि जब पानी ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है तो जो अच्छी अच्छी आवाज़ें निकलती है उसमें से ना, the gentle rippling sound of waterfall. And the ears of snakes are invisible. That is why the invisible ears have been used. We do not see the ears of a snake, but they do have the ears. Some people think that snakes do not have the ears, but that's not true. They have the ears, but their ears are invisible. They have holes in place of ears. So for the snake, the sound of flute was like the sound of waterfall. That's what it means. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such chorus music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. Actually, the child wanted to go towards the snake charmer, but he did not go there. Why he did not go there? Because his parents had forbidden him to go near the things or place where coarse music is being produced. So coarse music is the music that can create vibration inside your heart and inside you. So the sound of a flute or the sound of a bean or the sound of some other musical instrument also is generally rough sound music, coarse music. So his parents actually forbidden him to go near such things, so he actually did not go there, and he actually proceeded further. It means he again moves ahead from there. There was a roundabout in full swing. Now the child has come to a roundabout. And what a roundabout is? A roundabout is actually, student, a circular swing, a jhula. Men, women, children carried away in whirling motion. Everyone was actually swinging in that roundabout. Men, women, and children in whirling motion. Whirling motion means to say that in circular motion actually. and they all were shrieking also and cried with dizzy laughter. Whenever children and some other people actually moves in a circular roundabout, they some of them actually shriek, it means scream in fear or in excitement, and some of them actually cried also in excitement, and there are dizzy laughter filled with laughter mixed with dizziness. The dizziness, when you are feeling dizzy, जब आपको चक्कर जैसा आ रहा है, and there but you are laughing also out of excitement. So those sort of excitement has been referred here by the writer as dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on to the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Actually, this time, all the while, actually, the child wanted to ask something from his father, from his parent. He always wanted to make a request from his father to buy him this or that. But this time, he actually cannot control himself, and this time he desperately asked, and this time he made a very bold request that he wanted to go to that roundabout, mother, father. But when he would look back to see, there would not his father and mother, and that would be a shocking thing for the child, I think.